my name is Julianne and this is my sister Elise and you're on my own channel. So we're trying to make this a thing that I have my own channel now and I'm trying to make it work and make videos for all of you. So yeah, so today's my first video and we're going to put on Valentine's makeup, like a little our own makeup with a little bit of twist. So that's why we're so pale right now. So yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, I need makeup.
To you.
I'm doing my foundation.
I'm putting on primer, but I think it's running out.
What?
Primer. Struggle, you know. Your foundation, it's really gross. Sorry, but have you seen your pump and all that?
There we go. That's a good looking pump.
I don't think this is going to look any better. But yeah. It's much easier just to have like this.
Do. I like that we used to viewfinder. Okay, you have a mirror. Yeah, professional.
I can't just use my viewfinder. It's just too hard for me.
Do.
So what are you going to do for Valentine's Day?
I have a hot date
Oh.
with you.
I'm just going to ask who you're going on a date with. But
I think we're just going to hang out, just like family.
Which day is it? Valentine's Day.
Tuesday.
Oh.
The day after tomorrow. We're filming this on Sunday. We can tell them that, can't we?
Yeah.
It's Sunday today. There's a big difference on me and Julianne and like the speed that we put on makeup. You look so brown. Why do you look so brown?
Because I'm brown as bitch. No. That was just a joke. I don't know why I look brown. I'm not brown at all.
By the way, I'm now using this quite often and it's the Eyes, Lips, Face.
Elf.
By Elf.
Elf is the name.
Okay, but I got it from Julianne because she wasn't really using it and I love it. There is like a brown, is that a bronzer?
That's a blush, but you use it as a bronze.
I use it as a bronzer. And then there's an orange one that I love to use.
The bottom row is usually bronzes and blushes under the top row. So.
But I love to use them just to give myself some kind of color because I'm so damn pale. Done. My makeup's done. What do you think?
You're just so much faster than me. But with the eyes, you need to do something extra then, because that's where I'm quite basic, you know.
With my eyes, I'm the most basic human being when it comes to my makeup.
No, because you wear eyeliner and mascara and all that, and I don't use all that. I only use mascara.
Oh, I thought you were gonna be doing like a fab kind of look, because when I do fab kind of looks, I still just use my eyeliner and my mascara.
On my everyday basis, I use concealer and mascara, and that's all. That's quite basic for me. Some of you are maybe just 100% natural, but I don't have the skin for that kind of stuff.
It's just a delicate kiss. So what would you love to do on Valentine? If you could do anything at all, what would you do?
Just get some food. Like really nice food and eat. I really like food. Food is the best thing in the world. I'm really getting hot in here. Isn't it getting really hot?
It's getting hot in here.
Question.
Now I'm using my Elf eyebrow kit. In case you're ginger, this is what I use. As you can see, I've used so much of that one. I don't think I've ever celebrated Valentine, like really celebrated Valentine.
Me neither, but I'm single in my almost 19th year, so...
And I've had a boyfriend for 5 years and I still have never celebrated Valentine. I've never even gotten a... That's actually not true.
You have
I have.
Once.
Once. Roses. And they were sent to the door.
But That's many years ago.
That's so many years ago. Oh, there you go.
I'm really just putting more makeup, like slapping it on right now. I don't know what I'm doing. It's because I'm usually just doing it in front of my mirror without saying anything. Just standing there, staring.
Yeah, me too. And you should go check out the video that we posted on my channel as well.
Yeah, of course.
We're going to be posting, I have posted, what do I say? I've never done a collab before, I'm sorry. But I've posted a video on my channel in which Julianne and I were talking about love and we're giving advice and answering questions
Yeah.
and stuff.
And I'm so
We haven't
qualified.
filmed it yet.
No,
we haven't
but-
filmed it yet. That's why we don't really know what it's going to be yet. But check it out.
I actually never use highlighter, but for this special occasion like Valentine, why not? And then on my other lip to make my lips look very big. Ugh.
But in reality, there is so many singles out there that sometimes I feel like there should be a day where we're just celebrating being single.
Yeah.
Like, I think it should be a day where we're celebrating.
I would love that day.
Yeah, I would love that too.
That could be so nice to get a little bit of love and all that.
Yeah, exactly. So share some love with the people who actually need it, like the people who are alone. I think we should do that.
We sound like we're really lonely people, like
We're not. No, we're not.
we're actually really enjoying being single.
We're only crying like every day. So what are you doing when what?
What are you trying to say?
What are you trying to do to get a boyfriend? Like, what are you doing, Julianne?
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
No. Because I have a Tinder just for fun. And I thought about making some fun video about when I'm at least maybe controlling my Tinder or anything, but I don't really use it for that kind of stuff. I just use it for fun.
Oops. Do you think my eyebrows look okay?
They look quite even.
Good, because yesterday I had done my eyebrows and then I filmed the video and afterwards I really looked into the mirror and I realized that my eyebrows looked horrible, like seriously horrible. One of them were like way further up than the other one, so it looked so weird. And I don't know, I haven't edited the video yet, so I don't know how weird it's gonna look. I hope it's not too bad because then I have to refilm it, I think. So, yep. That's the struggle being a ginger and trying to do your eyebrows. So my favorite liquid eyeliner is from, I don't even know how to see that. It just says 100% pure. Is that, I think that's the brand 100% pure? Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
So it's from 100% pure and it's this liquid eyeliner. I've used that for so long and I think it's so good. And my favorite mascara is from Bare Minerals and it's the Last Domination. And that's so good as well. So that's just some recommendations. I'm now trying to attempt to do my eyeliner.
Nadine. Have any of you seen a new series on Netflix called Riverdale? Because
I have!
have you seen
I
it?
saw it yesterday. I was so I was just in a cozy mood. I'd been painting new furniture for my bedroom. And then afterwards I was like, I need to watch something. And I went and I watched the first 3 episodes on Netflix.
What do you think about it?
I think it's a true drama.
Yeah, 100%.
Very typical American drama, but well, it's
I kind of like it anyway. I think it's quite good, and I'm usually only seeing How I Met Your Mother and Friends and all that.
but he's a fake ginger. The guy's a fake ginger.
Yeah, I know he's have dark
It
hair
looks
in real life.
it looks so fake.
But all the gingers in it look quite fake, I would say. So the concentration phase, they can't see your face. Look at, it's
Isn't that just the best video we've ever seen?
yeah. I used Better Than Sex mascara on my upper lashes, and then I used my Holy Grail mascara on my bottom, and that's just because it's have a more natural flair. And then my Holy Grail mascara is from Max Factor, and I can't see the name of it because it's been rubbed off. I think it's the false lash effect or something like that. Effect.
I used to write my mind. I used to do. Should I do a red lip today?
Yeah, you can do that.
Now it's Valentine.
I apologize.
What
What I did to you was hurtful.
What I'm going through is hurtful. So red lip.
I used to be.
This is my last thing. It's the only thing I need to do. I have a really old one, and it's from, like, I've had it for years and years. I don't know where it's from. Rimmel London.
Look in the bottom.
And it's the 530 Fatal Red. And I've even used it to, like, draw something with it, so this is like everything that's left to it.
I don't wear lipsticks ever, really. That's not a normal thing for me to wear.
Ooh! Now the pale girl is wearing some lipstick.
And they don't look that pale anymore, I would say. Then out with the hair. Toss it a little bit around so it looks a little bit. Ow! Sorry. So that was it for our little makeup kind of get ready with us. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and yeah,
You should leave a thumbs up.
yeah, of course.
And also, if you're interested in the Tinder video, and I
With
think
her.
you are,
yeah,
you think
that could
you
be
are.
quite funny.
Yeah.
And you also get a little bit of look on some Danish boys, like
Ooh. I
what
don't
we're
think
dealing with.
I don't think we can show any pictures though.
Why?
I think that's illegal.
But they do it like in America and all that. Isn't it like in Denmark?
Oh. We are gonna have to
We
look
go
into
look
that.
into that, but still, it's maybe a little bit privacy.
Yeah,
like,
I think so.
Yeah.
So
But we're going to show you how she's going to control everything. It's the plan, like to pictures and.
I'm gonna
mine.
find Julianne some guys.
Yeah. She's going to.
Sorry.
Yeah. She's going to try to make me like perform at my A game, like
Yeah.
the best game, like,
Exactly.
where she think is like that's the best thing. So yeah, so that was it for this video, and I hope you all enjoy. Write some video recommendations you want to see in the bottom below, and I'm going to look at it. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.
Bye bye.